Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to create Binance account in mobile. First, open up Binance and choose any one of the options from here. For this video, I am going to choose I am new to crypto and tap on it. Tap on sign up. Enter your email address or tap on continue with Google. Once you type in your email address, click on Next. Binance will send you a 6-digit verification code on the email address that you just gave. Then create your password and click on Next. Click on Next again. You have now successfully created your Binance account. But to actually trade crypto, you will need to verify your account first. Select your residency from here and then click on Continue. Choose your nationality from here and click on Continue. Select through which document you want to complete your verification. For this video, I am going to use my government issued ID, but you can also choose passport or driving license. Then click on Continue. Type in all the necessary information and click on this box and click on Continue. If you get the verification code, type it in and click on Continue. Type in all the information that is needed and click on this box, then click on Continue. Right now you can see that my verification failed. It happened to me because my government ID is already linked with my Binance account and I again cannot make another account while still keeping my older one active. Do not worry, you won't get this message as you will be doing this process for the first time. After this, you will have to upload front and back side of the document you chose, and you will also have to upload your photo for verification. Once you give all the information, it takes only a couple of hours for Binance to verify your account. And once it is done, you can easily start trading. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.